All right, that sounds like damage. That's
Don't
good.
slip. Don't slip. Don't slip.
Hey, there's still bird crap on the hood.
Come on, no.
$29?
Okay, I have to take a breather for a second. Hey guys, Anthony the Rag Company.
And I'm Tavarish, and I happen to know that a lot of you don't wash your cars at home because you think it takes too much time. In fact, I think that's why people go to a lot of these automated car washes, because they think it just saves time.
True.
But I don't think that's right, because we are putting that to the test in today's video. We're actually gonna go to an automated car wash and see how long that takes from start to finish, and then we're gonna try to replicate the results and beat the quality with a hand wash of our own.
So to kick this off, we went down to our local car wash with Freddy in our rental van.
Yeah.
You want me to be rolling the clock?
And go.
Okay.
All right.
So we officially
We're losing the race already. They beat us.
Okay.
This is perfect because we have traffic.
Yeah.
We have traffic, so that slows us down. It is a Sunday, and people do want to get their cars washed and their paint absolutely battered on a Sunday.
We went through, we timed us from start to finish after sliding our card.
Okay, all right. Now
We're right now.
all right. So we are now officially at 2 minutes.
Okay.
2 minutes, and we just, oh, that's all of the paint abrasion. Okay, all right. That sounds like damage. That's good. Wow.
We're going through the titanium 360, Corey. Here we go.
The hood's gonna come off.
Going through and feeling like a kid again, going through and seeing all the different brushes and wearing whatever the car in front of us was wearing was quite the experience.
To the vacuum.
All right.
Go, Dane, go.
Here we go.
Oh,
Don't help out.
oh my gosh. We are at 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
We got a bunch of crap in the car. Nobody's helping me pull out anything.
Nobody's gonna help you do the wash anyway.
No, nobody's gonna help me do anything anyway. Yes. It's, you know what I mean?
No, you gotta be more thorough than that. Hey, there's still bird crap on the hood. There's bird crap on the hood. Dane, you should actually go over there and you can ask him. I don't know, but like, look at those wheels. Look at the wheels. The wheels are still pretty dirty.
After a quick little hand vac, we were ready to go, but now we had a new time standard which we had to beat.
That seems pretty good. Time. 16 minutes dead. Well, and 96 milliseconds.
I think we do better than that. And you know what? Would we do it again? Probably not, because I think we can actually do it better. So let's figure that out.
Yeah, and I have the perfect car for us to wash.
Okay. It does sound like an alien spaceship.
Dude. Huh?
Ah?
Yeah. So this is my 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT. This is Audi's Tesla fighter. This is also the fastest car Audi currently makes. This is faster than the R8 V10 Plus.
Stop it.
Yeah, no, it really is.
Can we find that out?
All right, power reserve.
Oh,
Not too bad, right? If you want, yeah. I want to see if you can beat that time.
I can absolutely beat that time. And here's the deal, Freddie. You're talking to the right guy when it comes to taking care of paint, because I'm going to make this look better than it came off the showroom.
That's not, I don't think you can do it in 16 minutes?
Absolutely, in 16 minutes.
Okay.
I've done better, I've done crazier, I've done wilder here at the Rag Company YouTube channel, and just you wait, it's gonna get pretty nuts. So without further ado, do you want to help me with this?
Yeah, man, you know, good luck. Good luck. That sounds like
Freddie,
a lot of fun.
You're walking away
That
from
sounds
me.
like a lot of fun,
So
yeah.
this happens to me every single time we come to shoot with YouTubers. It's always just me washing their cars. So
You're Anthony all day, yeah.
all right, Freddie has abandoned me. I am now left in his warehouse with a very, very filthy Audi RS e-tron GT, where we have to get this thing cleaned up. So we're going to be using a handful of different products, which we'll cover as we start the video. But in the meantime, we have a timer to start. So let's do this in 3, 2, 1, go. 2 minutes in for a pre-spray. I think we're doing pretty good. ADS Shampoo Plus into the foam cannon. We're gonna eyeball it. That looks about right. Okay. Come on. Come on. Stop it. Come on. No. We're wasting so much time. Dang it. Griots, come on. This is not as easy as it looks. There we go. Oh, I wasted a whole minute. All right, so we're 11 minutes in. I know so far I've pre-sprayed the car properly, I've snow foamed it, and I've washed it all in the best way that I possibly could from top to bottom, which means that the wheels and tires are left. I'm probably not gonna hit that mark for that 16 to 17 minutes with getting the wheels and tires done, but I think this is going to ultimately result in a better wash. So I'm gonna take a little bit more time, really knock out the wheels and tires because the job of the car wash was horrible. I'm wasting too much time. Let's get to rinsing. And then we're gonna knock out the wheels and tires. All right, we're at 14 minutes and 30 seconds or so wheels and tires, right? We're gonna go above and beyond because the car wash did not. So we're gonna use a dedicated wheel cleaner and tire cleaner. Wheel cleaner is going to have the built-in fallout remover, so it's gonna turn nice and purple. You can already see the browning from the tires. This is stuff that the car wash will not get off. So I'm gonna spray some here into my brush, give this a quick ring around the tires. Ah, look at that muck. Nasty. If you do this every single time with a tire cleaner, then typically you don't have to do a really deep scrub. You can do a nice light scrub like this, call that good. That goes back into the bucket. Grab ourselves our wheel mitt here, grab our wheel cleaner, sprays there, go through and knock out these wheels that have plenty of surface area. In between the lug holes, backside of the spokes, brakes. Done. Okay. What are we sitting at? Wheels and tires. Whew, 1750. That was almost 3 minutes for all wheels and tires. It's less than a minute a wheel. Quick rinse here. And based on time alone, 1909, we have already lost this challenge. I can't believe it. We really tried our hardest, but here's the deal. 19 minutes. We have a car that's still wet. Technically, the van was still wet. We have wheels that are clean. The van did not have clean wheels. Now also, we're also gonna be adding some protection. Now, I don't know what that diamond package offered going through the car wash, but we have some Amplify Quick Detailer, which is going to be our drying aid. It's going to add some UV protection to it. It's going to add some slickness and a lot of gloss. Things our van did not get. So I'm going to use the 1500 drying towel right now, go through, mop up all of this as fast as I can. And my goal is to not only have this car dry and protected, but also have it, hopefully, partially if not fully, vacuumed in under 25 minutes. Can we do that? we can try. Let's get back to it. Don't slip, don't slip, don't slip, don't slip. 27:21. I genuinely thought we were still at like 24 minutes, but like vacuuming, yeah, you kind of get lost in it. So, okay, I gotta take a breather for a second. Things I didn't expect. Seats had crumbs all over, like in the cracks. And I was like, oh no, right? And then the floor mats. I was like, okay, these aren't that bad, right? Every single floor mat had to be lifted up and vacuumed under because it was pretty bad underneath all of them. So I will say this car was in fact filthier than the van. So the van gets some points there, but 27 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the vehicle. Let's see what we accomplished. Let's talk about what we did, and let's see if it actually made a difference. All right, guys, so this is gonna be our final result. Freddie, what do you think?
Oh, dude. Dude, this looks really, really good. You said that you were gonna make this car look better than when I got it, and that is 100% true. This look, like, it feels like, did you like polish this?
No, but I put some sauce on here.
You put some sauce on here?
Put some sauce on here.
Can we say that?
Now here's the deal. I just washed it, but this is the difference, Freddie, between taking it to a car wash and doing it by hand. Now what's crazy is that I did not hit that 17, 18 minute time frame. 16, whatever it was, that 20-minute time frame, that 30-minute time frame. I mean, I did actually, because I was able to wash this car and do some minor detailing to it for 27 minutes.
27 minutes?
27 minutes. Now, I went above and beyond because check this out.
You did the inside too.
I did the inside too, right? Well, for the most part, right? Now, the only thing, right, I did not do on the exterior that I'm looking at like, oh no, the bug guts.
The bug guts.
In Florida, bug guts are a thing.
Yes, yes they are. Love bugs.
Yeah.
Love bug season all the time.
Idaho, not so much, right? So what I could have done during the wash is I could have used a pre-treatment with like a bug cleaner of some sort, right? Before you're jumping in with the foam and all of that. And so that's the one thing looking back, I'm like, dang, I wish I would have done that. So exterior was washed safely with foam, right? Clean the wheels, clean the tires. It was dried safely with a great gloss amplifier. For the most part, quickly cleaned the interior, wiped some things down, got the glass clean.
Dude, it looks fantastic. He is, not giving himself enough credit. This looks way, way, way better. So $33 for a wash that does take a little bit less time. However, messes up your paint. You still have a very wet car when you come out of there, and it doesn't get all the bird crap
special
on it.
stuff.
Listen, there's nothing against people that work in the car wash industry, but there is a better way to do it. So that was like 33 bucks. Based on how much the consumables were in this wash, and considering the fact that you can probably get another maybe 5 to 15 washes using this like method, how much did it cost to do this right now?
few bucks, really. The towels are going to be reused.
Correct.
You're gonna be able to reuse those. Running water, let's just go and assume that most people have running water.
Yeah.
Yes, we use a pressure washer. Do you have to use a pressure washer for that method? No, you can just hose it off
Yeah,
and use
yeah.
a bucket with a little bit of soap in there. So you don't have to worry about that. So really the biggest consumables here are gonna be the chemicals that we used, right?
Correct.
And then the towels are gonna need you multiple washes. But those chemicals, we could use those another 9, 10, 12 times, right? So doing a little bit of math there,
Let's call it 10. If you spent 75 bucks on the product,
Yep.
then that means that this cost about $7.50, which saves you 20 something dollars on the car wash. However, you don't have a car wash at your house, so you do have to factor in time from your house to the car wash, and I think you definitely save some time there. So not only do you save time and money, the car looks better, and it also it smells good.
it is. It's
smells-
a euphoric feeling that we have inside here. It's great.
Yeah.
And you know what? We got a little bit of exercise in. I'm not gonna lie. I was sweating. I got to work out. I saved time. I saved money.
It slices, it dices. Yeah.
Your car looks better.
It could be your car.
So this is the way. This is the method that you guys should all be doing. But if you want to go to a car wash, we kind of understand for convenience sake. But just know
I
you
don't
guys-
understand. I think that's a bad idea. No, don't go to car washes. Just do it like this. Yeah, it's fine.
So head to theragcompany.com where you can pick up all of these premium detailing products and more. And as always, if you guys enjoy this kind of content and had a fun time watching and just had a fun time hanging out with me and Tavarish here, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below so you don't miss any of our future detailing content. And as always, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Ooh, this is clean, man. That's good.